Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be resetting for the springtime. The weather is just starting to get warm out and I feel my seasonal depression leaving. I feel my personality coming back. I feel like it's definitely time to refresh our space and refresh ourselves and get ourselves ready and feeling good for the springtime. And starting off, we are going to be doing our nails. My nails are so bad. They're so grown out. It's actually disgusting. I hate it so much. So we are going to do our nails because they desperately need to get done. And then I also want to get a haircut because my hair is pretty dead at the bottom. Like I feel like it looks fine, but it's actually not. It's really dead. And then I also want to clean up my room, reorganize some things. So we are going to be starting with our nails though. So let's head to the nail salon. So I just finished at the nail salon and I got the basic, simple French nails. They're pretty basic obviously, but I just love the look of clean, fresh nails. So I'm just happy that they don't look how they looked before. I don't know if you guys could see it or even hear it, but it is raining outside. It's very gloomy, very rainy today. But I wanted to share with you guys, do you see where we are right now? We're in my new car, which is so insane. I can't even believe I'm saying that. I got it 2 days ago actually, and it still doesn't even feel real. Like, this feels fake. I feel like I'm in a rental right now. It just doesn't even feel real because this was on my vision board to happen this year. It's just insane to see that I put that literally on my physical vision board and it happened a month or two later. Also yesterday I went out with my cousin and I picked her up in my new car, and I'm gonna insert some clips of her meeting this new little child because it was so fucking funny. And yeah, I'm gonna insert that right now.
Bitch! Caressa! Who are you right now? What, bitch? Oh, she said! Bitch! Right. This bitch got a camera. Oh my god. How do we act? Oh, it's so sleek, so clean. Oh my, it's giving luxury. Right. What's this brand? Hyundai. Okay, Hyundai.
I just want to say the car that I was driving before this was a 2004 Toyota Corolla. And I loved her so much. She pushed through. She got me from point A to point B. Granted, there were a couple times where we broke down and crashed and everything. That car has been through it, and it was really trudging its way through life. I feel like I was taking a risk driving it every day because it was just so old and run down, and I needed this new car so badly. Like, it was a need, not a want. It was a need. It was one of those things that I put it on my vision board where I obviously really wanted it to happen, but I didn't know if it would. And the fact that literally a month later, 2 months later, it happened, it's crazy. So I just got back home and I saw that I had a package from Whitefox. My order from Whitefox came in and I'm so excited. I kind of forgot what I ordered, so we'll just go through it together. I know I ordered mostly dresses, but I forgot exactly what I picked up. This is so cute. I just got this brown, what do you call this? Like strapless brown long dress, but the top is supposed to fit really fitted and tight, and then the bottom just like flows out. I am so excited to try this on. I feel like it's just gonna look really classy and put together. I don't really have a dress like this or like long dresses like this, so I'm excited to see how this fits. Okay, so this next dress I feel like just screams spring, summertime, but it is this white halter style dress. And it's pretty short, but I just love the style of this dress. I feel like it's very simple and it's gonna go with a lot, and you could wear it for many different occasions. It is this mini knit style dress and it has a hood, and I had a vision, you guys. I had a vision when I ordered this dress, and I already saw myself wearing this dress at like some type of music festival, something music related. I just feel like this would be super fun with like some black long boots. And then the last clothing item that I picked up is this black corset halter style top. I have so many corset tops from Whitefox, you guys. Like, it's never ending with me. But I ironically don't have a black one, and I feel like, hello, a black one is kind of necessary. Like, black goes with everything. I thought it was really cute. Also, it came with these detachable sleeves. And the very last thing that I picked up is this black little bag. It's so tiny. This black little buckle bag. It's so cute. So honestly, it's way smaller than I thought it would be. I don't even think I could fit my phone in here, you guys. Like, that's how tiny it is. I wasn't really expecting it to be that small, but it's okay. We don't need to keep too much in our bag. I just thought this would be really cute with my little spring outfit. Hey guys, so today we are getting a haircut. I want to say it's been about 6 months since I last got my haircut. I feel like when my hair is really dead and dry like this, I just don't even want to do it. Like, I just have less motivation to even do my hair because I feel like even when I do it, it just still looks really dry and just not the way I want it to look. I just want to cut off a bit at the bottom and get rid of those dead ends, and also maybe do some more face framing pieces. I have some, but they're grown out, so we just need to refresh that. Okay guys, I just finished getting my haircut and I am obsessed with the way it turned out. She did exactly what I wanted and cut off a bit from the bottom and just refreshed my layers and gave me some more face framing pieces. She couldn't make them too short because I still wanted to keep the length of my hair, and it just wouldn't have blended well if I, you know, got shorter like curtain bang pieces and kept long hair. It just wouldn't blend all well together. So I love the way it turned out. She did exactly what I wanted, and it even looks better from the back because you could just see how the layers all blend so good together. But I'm obsessed. I feel like this is exactly what I needed to revive my hair. Like, it just feels so much better and healthier already. The power of a good haircut, you guys, it just gets you feeling yourself again. Your hair is probably one of the first things people notice about you, so as long as your hair is looking good, you're good. But yeah, I haven't had coffee for the day yet and I desperately need it. So we're gonna go get some coffee and see where the rest of the day takes us. Hey guys, so today I'm just going to be cleaning up my space, washing my bedding and wiping down everything and just reorganizing my space to feel a lot cleaner and refreshed. I feel like cleaning is also a form of self-care because having a clean and clear space just makes me feel a lot better about myself and more motivated to be productive. I still have my winter decorations up on these shelves and throughout my room, so I definitely need to swap that out and put away all my winter stuff and take out all my spring items and just make my room feel a lot brighter and refreshed. So let's go do that.